Welcome to Auto Pulse Media, where we bring you the latest insights on the most exciting vehicles hitting the roads. Today we're diving into two of the most talked about models of the year, the 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-1 and the 2025 Toyota Prius Alpha. Buckle up as we explore their reviews, specs and features in detail. The 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-1 carries forward the legacy of high performance with a bold new design and upgraded engineering. Under the hood, the Mach-1 continues to impress with a 5.0-liter V8 engine delivering around 480 horsepower, ensuring thrilling acceleration and a deep resonant exhaust note that muscle car enthusiasts crave. This model also benefits from a performance-focused suspension system, upgraded brakes and fine-tuned aerodynamics for enhanced handling at high speeds. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mach-1 blends retro inspiration with modern technology, featuring a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen with Sync 4 system and supportive Recaro sport seats. This Mustang is not just about power but also about refinement, with premium materials and improved cabin insulation making everyday driving more comfortable. On the road, it delivers the same engaging rear-wheel drive experience the Mustang is known for, with precise steering and a planted feel through corners. For those who love driving, this is a vehicle that continues to keep the heart of the Mustang alive with a modern twist. Now turning our attention to the 2025 Toyota Prius Alpha, this hybrid MPV brings a fresh take on practicality, efficiency and futuristic design. Known for its eco-friendly roots, the new Prius Alpha pushes the envelope with Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid powertrain, offering better fuel economy and smoother performance. The updated 1.8-liter engine paired with an electric motor now delivers improved acceleration while maintaining extremely low emissions. The exterior of the Prius Alpha has also received a complete redesign, with sleek LED lighting, a more aerodynamic silhouette and a bolder stance on the road. Inside, the cabin comfort and tech go hand in hand, with a large central touchscreen, digital gauge cluster, wireless charging and advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist and Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite. The 3-row configuration ensures plenty of room for families and cargo, making it a smart choice for environmentally conscious drivers who need more space. Quiet, comfortable and packed with technology, the 2025 Prius Alpha stands out in the hybrid segment with its balance of versatility and green performance. Both of these vehicles reflect the unique strengths of their respective brands, the Mustang Mach-1 for performance lovers and the Prius Alpha for those prioritizing efficiency and space. Whether you are chasing the thrill of speed or the practicality of a daily family cruiser, there's something in 2025's lineup for everyone. Thanks for watching this video on Auto Pulse Media, your go-to place for in-depth car reviews and the latest auto updates. If you enjoyed the content and want more reviews, specs and features on upcoming models, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more automotive excitement.